95 Kodiak neutral switch problem. My neutral light was not going on. My reverse light goes on because my reverse switch right here works fine. The neutral switch is just like that, but a little bit lower. They both have these connections like this. Like this. They both have that. This one has power because I believe this blue relay here is giving it power. That's why I can hear it click when I touch metal. Listen. Okay, but this switch is for here, and this is the neutral switch. That's the reverse one. This neutral relay does not make that sound. So it's not getting power. So when I take this one and I go to, short it out or put it on, nothing happens. But when I take this one, it does. Listen again. So, given that, I'm going to test these. I'm going to test these switches here to show that the relay gives them power. And I will show that those switches have continuity when used. So I feel that, I know that the reverse works. The neutral was in question, but I'm just about to prove that the neutral does work. So, Tom, this is for you. All right, so here is, I have a wire hooked up to that neutral switch because I can't get under there, but it's hooked up on the other side of this. So here I am, I'm going to use the power source from the reverse wire right here, and I'm going to put it on here, and see, we got continuity. So that shows we got continuity to that neutral switch. I also get continuity to this switch when I do, to the reverse switch when I put the multimeter on it too. Now watch what happens when I take it out of neutral. I'm going to try and do it with my foot. Here it goes. Oh, shit. I got it. All right, I'm going to put this down for a minute. I wish I had a third freaking arm here. Okay, let's try do my foot again. Oh, shit. There we go. See? No continuity because I'm in first. But watch, I'm going to put it in neutral again. Continuity. No continuity because it's in first. Continuity. So I believe that switch is good. I think the problem is this relay. So correct me if I'm wrong. I'll send you this video. Thanks. Have a good night. Bye.